Hey everyone, welcome to this video. If your Gmail storage is full like me, then this video is for you. In today's video, I will show you how you can fix Google 15 GB out of storage for forever. So what you have to do, just open your Gmail app from your phone. Now tap on this profile icon here or avatar. Then just tap on this manage your Google account. You might think that I didn't put anything on my Gmail or my Google Drive, then why it is showing out of storage? Basically, it happened for Google Photos backup. It happens for too much Gmail and this kind of thing. So we are going to solve that. Now from here, just tap on this search icon here and search for storage. And you can see account storage. Just tap on this. Now it will ask you to buy extra storage, but we are not going to do that. Just scroll down and just tap on this clean up space. You can remove large file from your Google Drive, like it's showing I have 3 GB of a large file, and you can delete old emails, and this is how you can get some extra storage. But this is not going to solve the problem for forever. What you have to do for get free from this hassle for forever, you just need to create new Gmail for extra works. Create more Gmail for extra storage, or you can buy storage. So basically this is how you can solve this issue. If you think this video was helpful, please make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.